Today in the state of Maryland, it's going to be a nice, beautiful weather because it's going to be 71 degrees sunny. Feels like 73 degrees. There will be mostly sunny skies. The high will definitely be 77 degrees. That's what it says right there for today. So we're going to stick with 77 degrees, mostly sunny, and also 71 degrees sunny. So we prefer 77 degrees for today, right here in the state of Maryland. Air quality with the green stuff of 32. Wind, 12 miles per hour. Humidity, 45%. Visibility, 9.90 mile. Pressure, 29.74 inch. And finally with the dew point, 49 degrees. We're going to skip the radar because there's no rain or snow. And that's, so yeah, there's no rain and snow. It's quiet and empty because it's going to be a nice, beautiful weather. Moving on to the wind. The wind is picking up. The color is green, of course. So we're mostly of the 14s and 13s. Including we got 18 Easton, Salisbury 15, and Pocomoke City 17. If we zoom in, which is in Hartford and Cecil and Baltimore, of course, showing mostly of the 16s, 15s, 14s, including 13s as well. So we say it again, 15, 14, and also 16s. So it's not really bad at all. In Garrett County, showing is going to be 18, 17s, and 16s, and 15s. And of course, showing in Washington, Carroll, and Frederick, the same numbers. On the other side of Maryland, including Ocean City, showing is definitely going to be the 17s and 15s. So for tomorrow, it's going to be the blue with less than 10 miles per hour and showing more than 10 miles per hour. That's going to be tomorrow. We do have clouds, even though it's going to be sunny with 71 degrees. Direction of the clouds is moving on the southeast. So it's moving on the southeast. So we have a little bit of clouds in Maryland. Direction of clouds, which is in Frederick County, Carroll County, Washington County, Howard County, Montgomery County, including going past through Ocean City. So with the percentage numbers, we do have 60%, 50s, and nearly 50%. The colors that we're definitely showing is going to be in the green. In Garrett County, showing the blue. For tomorrow, it's going to be sky blue. With nearly 70%, more than 60%, more than 70%, even nearly 80% and nearly 60%. In the meantime, we're definitely showing more than 60%, nearly 60%, nearly 70%, and that's it. The visibility that we're definitely showing mostly of the gray with more than 12.40. Showing is going to be mostly of the 20 mile. So that's going to be the gray. And tomorrow is going to be another gray. This time it's going to be the 20s, more than 20s, nearly 20s. The sea level pressure that we're definitely showing is nearly 30 inch. So that's 29 inch. So that's 29 inch. And so on with these numbers. tomorrow is going to be another nearly 30-inch. For today, we're on the green, which is the dew point. The dew point, we're mostly on the 50s, except Cumberland with 1 inch closer to 50 degrees. The air quality that we're definitely showing, which is the green as well, right here in Maryland. So with 31, with air quality poses little or no health risks. So hope you ladies and gentlemen will enjoy those activities. Going out, taking walks, riding your bike, recording videos, and even going out to eat at an outdoor restaurants. And it's really okay to open windows, unless if you're sweaty. Now the numbers. So of course in Baltimore BWI Airport showing 31. Frederick, same thing. Cumberland 30, same thing in Hagerstown. 35 in Easton, Salisbury 35, Pocomoke City 37, and finally with Lexington Park 36. If we zoom in to Hartford and Cecil, we do have showing is going to be the 30s and nearly 30s. The Kent County, we're definitely showing, which is on the 30s. Prince George and Queens Anne's, more than 30s. Dorchester, Charles, and so on is going to be nearly the 40s. Ocean City is showing 45. Howard and Montgomery showing the 30s, including nearly 30s. Baltimore City is going to be, which some are going to be on the 30s and nearly 30s. Washington, Carroll and Frederick is going to be with 30s and nearly 30s also. If you live in Allegheny and Garrett, definitely going to be showing the 30s. The pollen. So with the pollen, we are mostly on the yellow, which is moderate. And of course the numbers. We do have the 40s, nearly 40s, and more than 30s, and finally with 50s, including Cumberland 50s. So we're mostly on the moderate. And then temperatures are going to be a nice, beautiful weather. So temperatures are going to be warmer. So hope you ladies and gentlemen will enjoy those activities. So temperatures are going to be on the 70s and the nearly 70s. So we're on the green and yellow. So on the left you'll see you can enjoy the activities and also the clothing, which is breathable clothing. You have to wear shorts and your tank top and your shirt with short sleeves on it. So we're definitely showing, with some are going to be with the nearly 70s and mostly of more than 70s. So we're going to start off with nearly 70s, which is in Perryville, Frederick, Hagerstown, Westminster, Bel Air, Elton, and Rock Hall. So that's nearly of the 70s. With 70s in Washington, D.C., Annapolis, and Easton. With nearly 60s, which is in Oakland. More than 60s in Cumberland. So we do have the sunny in Perryville, Hagerstown, Bel Air, Westminster, so that's sunny and wind. We'll accept that when it's sunny. Elton, sunny. Rock Hall, sunny. Annapolis, and Easton. Mostly sunny in Frederick and Washington. We have one location are going to be the mostly cloudy, which is in Oakland, and one location with partly sunny is in Cumberland. The sunrise that we're definitely showing for today is going to be at 5:50 a.m. Sunset for tonight is going to be 8:15. So it's going to be dark later on. The moon phase is going to be 69%. The next time full moon will be on June 11th. The moon is going to be at 1 a.m. moonrise, 10:31 a.m. which is moonset. The visibility was excellent with improving with a peak visibility distance of 22 miles expect at 10 a.m. Pressure falling slowly with 29.73 around 9:13 a.m. which is right now. Falling slowly in the last 3 hours, expected to rise slowly in the next 3 hours. Last striking strike seen on May 16th, which is the last nearby lightning strike, was on May 16th at the distance of 15 miles. UV, the moderate of maximum UV exposure for today will be moderate expect at 1 p.m. The air quality index with good, which is 32. Good air quality primary pollutant 0332 ppb. The pollen, which is moderate, which is 42 with the main allergy tree. Expect to be lower than yesterday main allergy tree. With the precipitation, there's no precipitation in the next 24 hours. Light rain expected on Tuesday night. Today is expected to see less precipitation than yesterday. The wind is showing with 13 miles per hour with the wind speed, 24 miles per hour with the wind gust. The humidity, 45% relative humidity, 49 degrees dew point. The dry, decreasing with a low of 43% at 12 p.m. Temperatures will be rising with a peak of 77 degrees at 5 p.m. Feels like 73 degrees and temperature will be 71. Feels warmer than the actual temperature due to the humidity. Cloud covered with sunny 11%. Steady with mostly sunny skies at 12 p.m. So that's noon. We know today is going to be 77 degrees, mostly sunny/sunny. Tomorrow is going to be a nice, beautiful weather with the lower of 75. That's going to be on Monday with sunny. Listen carefully for the rest of the forecast right here in the state of Maryland. Tuesday with 71 degrees, sunny. Wednesday with the rain will be 59 degrees. 59 degrees on Thursday, which is going to be a light rain. Friday will be partly sunny with 63 degrees. Saturday will mostly sunny with 64 degrees. And next Sunday will be 69 degrees, mostly sunny. So I hope you ladies and gentlemen all over the state of Maryland will enjoy a nice, beautiful weather. And make sure to go out and drink plenty of fluids, which is Gatorade and water.